Melissa finds the zeros of the function f of x to be 4 and minus 3. Which could be Melissa's function? We have four choices here. Okay, you have f of x is x plus 4 times x plus 3, where they're both plus. Okay, or where the first one's plus and the second one's minus, or the reverse of that, where the first one's minus and the second one's plus, or you could have both of those being minus. Which one of these four works for these two zeros? And what do we mean by zeros here? Okay, well, we could graph our zeros. We better get some ordered pairs to graph, huh? X and f of x. What is f of x up here? F of x is y, isn't it? And we're saying when x is 4, what's y going to be? 4 is a what? You see that word right there? Well, we have 4, 0 and minus 3, 0. These are my zeros. That's what I mean by saying zeros of 4 and minus 3. And where is that point? 4 zeros right here, and minus 3 zeros right here. Once you get a couple of points on there, it's easy to graph it. It's easier to graph it once you get a couple of points. So the zeros give you 2 points on there that are fairly easy to graph. All right? Now, what's my first zero? X is 4. That's my first zero. When x is 4, y is 0. Okay? Now, let's subtract 4 from both sides of this. Okay? Subtract 4 from here and from here. We're going to get x minus 4 equals 0. All right? So this is one equation. My second equation is when x is minus 3. On this one, I'm going to add 3 to both sides. X plus 3 equals 0. All right? So we have these two equations, and we can combine those equations into one equation. Let me show you what I mean. If x minus 4 is 0, we would say x minus 4 is 0, or if x plus 3 is 0. All right? Now, if x minus 4 equals 0, then this equation right here, if this is 0, then 0 times this equals 0. Okay? Go back to this one now. We took the case where this was 0. Take the case where this is 0. What if x plus 3 equals 0? Then this is 0. 0 times whatever this is 0. Okay? So when you have these like this, you could combine these and multiply them and get 0. So we are saying that y needs to be this if you want to have the zeros of plus 4 and minus 3. Okay? And I'm going to leave this right here, erase all this other stuff, leave this right here for a second, and get my original problem up there. We want x minus 4. We want to pick this one, don't we? X minus 4 and x plus 3. This is the one we want to pick. That could be Melissa's function.